Hey there, Keto Warriors. Welcome back to What's Next Keto. Today, we're diving into the heart of successful keto weight loss. I'm John and I've been on this amazing keto journey for about 2 years. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our transformative content. Let's get right into it. Tip 1. Set clear goals. Starting with Tip 1, set clear goals. Your keto journey is like embarking on a grand adventure, and just like any adventure, having a clear destination in mind is paramount. Whether your aim is to shed those stubborn pounds, skyrocket your energy levels, or attain a state of improved overall health, setting specific and clear goals acts as your guiding star. Goals aren't just abstract dreams, they're the foundation on which you'll build your keto success story. Imagine a ship without a captain, it would drift aimlessly. Similarly, having well-defined goals gives you direction, purpose, and motivation. Document your aspirations, pen them down in your journal, create a digital vision board, or place sticky notes around your living space. The key is to make your goals visible. When you wake up every morning and see your goals right in front of you, you're instantly reminded of the bigger picture. It's like your internal compass, keeping you on track even when challenges arise, but setting goals isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process. As you progress on your keto journey, your goals might evolve. You might hit a milestone and decide to aim even higher. Or you might discover new aspects of health and wellness you want to focus on. Regularly revisit your goals, assess your progress, and make adjustments as needed. This flexibility ensures that your goals stay aligned with your journey's twists and turns. Tip 2. Master macros. Let's delve into the intricacies of Tip 2. Master macros. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine, and macronutrients, macros, are the fuel that keeps it running smoothly. Macros are the big players in your diet: fats, proteins, and carbs. Understanding how to balance these macros is like deciphering the secret code to unlock the potential of keto weight loss. So, let's break it down. Your keto macros are different from the standard nutritional recommendations. A classic ketogenic diet typically involves getting about 70 to 80% of your daily calories from healthy fats. Fats are your primary energy source in the keto world. They keep you satiated, power your workouts, and most importantly, they're your ticket to ketosis, the state where your body switches from using carbs for energy to burning fat. Next up, proteins. Aim for about 10 to 20% of your daily calories from proteins. Tip 3. Prioritize whole foods. Welcome to Tip 3, prioritize whole foods. Picture your plate as a canvas, and the vibrant colors of nutrient-dense whole foods as your masterpiece. In the world of keto, quality is just as important as quantity, and whole foods are the stars of the show. Let's begin by understanding what whole foods are. These are foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. They haven't undergone excessive processing or refining, which means they retain more of their original nutrients and health benefits. Think of whole foods as the superheroes of your diet. They come packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that support your overall health and keto journey. Lean meats are among the champions of whole foods. Chicken, turkey, and fish are excellent sources of protein that your body needs for muscle repair and growth. They're also naturally low in carbs, making them a perfect fit for your keto lifestyle. Tip 4. Stay hydrated. Tip 4 shines a light on a simple yet often underestimated aspect of your keto journey: staying hydrated. Water is the unsung hero that aids digestion, curbs those sneaky cravings, and facilitates your body's adjustment to the keto lifestyle. Hydration is key to avoiding the dreaded keto flu, which can rear its head in the early stages of ketosis. Aim to guzzle down 8 to 10 generous glasses of water every day. Think of it as your liquid armor on this journey, helping you conquer challenges and stay refreshed. Tip 5. Embrace healthy fats. Moving on to Tip 5, embrace healthy fats. It might sound counterintuitive, but fats are your friends on this journey. Avocado, nuts, olive oil, these are your keto allies. These healthy fats aren't just about adding flavor and richness to your meals, they play a vital role in keeping you satiated. Feeling full and satisfied helps you stick to your eating plan, reducing the temptation to stray from your keto path. And here's a bonus: these fats are like brain fuel, supporting cognitive function and mental clarity. So go ahead, embrace the beauty of healthy fats, and let them fuel your keto adventure. Tip 6. Plan and prep. Enter Tip 6, a game changer that involves a little strategic thinking: plan and prep. Imagine having your meals for the week planned out, a shopping list ready, and your ingredients prepped and waiting. This isn't just about saving time, it's about making smart choices. Planning your meals ahead of time prevents those impulsive and often regrettable decisions. When you're armed with a plan, you're less likely to reach for the quick fix that might kick you out of ketosis. Dedicate a chunk of time each week to meal planning and prepping, and watch how it transforms your keto journey into a well-organized adventure. Tip 7. Move your body. Tip 7 serves as your reminder to move your body. Even if you're not an exercise enthusiast, incorporating movement into your routine is pivotal. It's not about grueling workouts, it's about finding what suits you. A brisk walk, a bit of yoga, or a short home workout, they all count. Exercise boosts your metabolism, making your body more efficient at burning fat. But it's not just physical, it's also about boosting your mood, releasing those endorphins, and supporting your overall health. Movement is like a secret ingredient in your keto recipe for success. It adds that extra kick of energy and vitality. Tip 8. Sleepmates. Tip 8 highlights a crucial but often overlooked aspect of any weight loss journey: sleep matters. Quality sleep is your body's reset button. It's during those restful hours that your hormones balance out, cravings are tamed, and your body recovers. Sleep is your ally in this journey, working behind the scenes to support your efforts. Aim for a recommended number of hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Create a sleep-conducive environment, unwind before bed, and make your sleep a priority. Remember, a well-rested body is a body ready to conquer the day and reach its keto goals. Tip 9. Mindful eating. Welcome to Tip 9, Mindful Eating. This is where you pause, savor, and truly experience your meals. In a world of distractions, mindful eating is your way of tuning in to your body's cues. It's about slowing down, engaging your senses, and listening to your hunger signals. This practice not only helps you appreciate the flavors and textures of your food but also encourages healthier choices. When you eat mindfully, you're more likely to avoid overeating and make conscious decisions that align with your keto journey. Mindful eating is like a mini meditation that brings you closer to your goals with every bite. Tip 10. Consistency is key. And finally, we arrive at Tip 10. Consistency is key. In the world of keto weight loss, consistency is your secret weapon. It's not about overnight transformations, it's about the cumulative effect of your daily choices. Stay committed to your goals, even when progress seems slow. Keep in mind that every choice you make, whether it's opting for a nutrient-rich meal or going for a walk, adds up over time. There will be challenges, but it's your consistent actions that will lead to long-term success. Keto weight loss is a journey, not a destination. So, remember to celebrate every step forward, no matter how small, and stay the course. There you have it, my keto warriors, the top 10 tips for successful keto weight loss. Your journey is as unique as you are, and progress is the sum of your dedicated efforts. If these tips resonated with you, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow keto enthusiasts. As always, keep your goals in sight, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay keto,